Okay, so I just want to do a quick comparison. I bought this a while ago. This is a Weidmuller Stripax, and it's a wire stripper. It's fantastic, and this is just your typical like Klein wire stripper. Let me show you how this works. So basically, I'm just gonna take the sheathing off of this thing. So it's got this compartment here. This little thing here cuts. You can adjust it so it only pulls part of the sheath off, most of it off, or the whole thing off. I'll show you what that looks like. And it could do multiples. It could do multiple things at once too. So let's say you have these 4 little wires here. All right. So if you were going to take something like this, first you'd have to figure out which size to use, and that's not the hardest thing in the world. You just start here. All right, that didn't work, so I would go to the smallest one and strip it. And I have to admit, this one works pretty well. What this does, so if you want to take the whole wire off, you would do something like this, and it's self-adjusting. Watch. You can go as far in as you want. It pulls it off like that. Or if you adjust this like this, you can do more than one at once. But watch, here's how it works. So it does that, and then you can pull it off. Let me see, I didn't do that too well. Let's do it with a long piece so you can see. Watch. It just does that. And it leaves it so you can pull it the rest of the way up. I don't know why you'd ever need that, but let me take these copper strands out of here so they don't get in the way. What you could also do with this stripper is a bunch of them at once. So 1, 2, and pardon the mess here, I'm working on a few things. So if you were doing something for computer work and they were just sitting like this, actually I'll do it so it pulls the whole thing off. So it basically looks like that. So it pulls all 4 of them off at once. See? Now, let me grab a larger wire. This is, what is this? This is, I want to say about 10 gauge. Let me see if I can see it. It says it on there. Not sure what this is. Southwest. 12. All right, so watch. I'm just going to cut this off. So if you're going to strip this with strippers like this, what I would do is, all right, that's not right. All right, do it like that. Or do that. Or similarly, you cut off a small piece. Watch, like this. See? So it basically just, you can pull it off. I don't know why you'd ever need to do that, but you can. Cut it all the way around. There you go. Yeah, it's great for working on. It's great because you don't have to think about it. Yeah. You know what, you can adjust, with this you can adjust how far you want to strip this. So let's say you want to consistently strip this amount off. I missed one. But basically, you know. So this has been great. It was a little on the expensive side, but I use it for everything. I throw this in my kit so I have it. But this has never let me down. It's been fantastic. So I just wanted to show you that. It can strip multiple things at once. Now I believe hang on a sec. I believe the company Knipex. Yeah, that's okay. I'll be up in a second. I believe the company Knipex came out with something very similar to this. They didn't have them when I bought this, but it's a similar style. So, and their tools are great, but I've been enjoying having these things for a long time. So just wanted to show you how they work compared to this, where you gotta rip and pull, especially difficult with small wires. Yeah, see, so yeah, let's go from this side. All right, here, this is consistently, whoop, you gotta, this doesn't close all the way unless that's in that stage. This consistently snips this off. So that's it. Weidmuller Stripax. I think the model number is like, let's see what it says here, 950900. I don't know, if you're interested, just leave a comment. All right, but it'll actually do larger. Let's see. It does, I think, up to like 8 gauge wire. Let me see if I can find a little thicker. Oh, here's one. Here. This is, I should know by the color. I think this yellow is 10 gauge. Let me just, now this is handy because this has, all right, here, I'm gonna cut that off. So same deal, to do this, you'd hunt around, and I'm yanking, yeah. All right, or take this thing, that's it, 1, 2, 3. All right, thanks for watching.